My name is Ross Beshner. I'm a Systems Inspection Group Leader for the Washington Suburban Sanitary Commission. We're located in Maryland. We're the 8th largest water and wastewater utility company. For years, we had a capital program of around $70 million. We repair and install new water pipeline and sewer pipeline. And in the past couple of years, we've realized we have an aging infrastructure and we have a lot of replacement to do. The pipes are failing and breaking at an alarming rate. And now we're under a consent decree by EPA where we have to fix all our priority one pipeline repairs. And so our budget has significantly increased. This year it's at $185 million. Next year it's going to be at $230 million, consisting of projects about $1 to $2 million in size. So we got approximately about 100 to 120 projects we manage a year. We were quite pleased to start using eBuilder. eBuilder has really made our jobs much more efficient. I mean, we have a limited workforce, and then with all these additional projects now that we have to manage, we needed a tool that we could manage the contracts more efficiently. It's improved our communications with the contractors. The submittal module is fantastic, where they now can provide the submittals to us through eBuilder. They can be reviewed, improved, and sent back to the contractor. That's been wonderful. We also update spreadsheets between us and the contractor where we can communicate what has been done and what needs to be done, and that's been fantastic. So just in that way, improving the communication with the contractor has really helped us out a lot. Also, we're using eBuilder as a way of storing all our documents. Our shared drives don't have the capacity to handle all the construction documents. So eBuilder, having the ability to store plans and the specs and photographs and video, all that can be stored in eBuilder has been wonderful. We are also using schedule module now where the contractors submitting their schedules. So I can, from my desk at the main office building, go into any project and see what the current schedule is for the contractors. So that's helped a lot. And then one of the things we've really started out with eBuilder on is the preparation of the daily reports. Our inspectors go out in the field. We've issued them all laptops. Before, they would have to fill out paper reports, and then they'd come back to the office and load them on an Excel spreadsheet. And they do this over a month's time. At the end of the month, they would have to add all the quantities up, all the money up, and summarize everything to me. So I wouldn't even know what's going on with projects until the very end of the month. Now with eBuilder, they load every day the daily report, all the quantities have been performed that day. Immediately I can go in that day and see what's been done, or at the end of the month we can easily prepare a report that generates all the information. It takes away a lot of the errors. The guys don't have to hand calculate numbers anymore or rely on spreadsheets. It's all in eBuilder and it all rolls up to me, and I can provide my boss with a report within a couple minutes, which would have taken painstakingly all day for all of my staff to prepare that. We've been exposed to it for about 2.5 years now. We got to the point where we said we need to really use a tool that can help us manage our jobs. So basically 2 years ago in November I said everyone's got to convert over to eBuilder and start using it. And it was some growing pains. There are some people that are not computer savvy. Some people have been around a long time that don't like change. But we got everyone on board now and it's been going real well. eBuilder has really helped me with my management of my group because I can generate reports very easily now and know on a monthly basis how much we've actually installed in the ground, how much we've spent. In the future, we'd like to link it to our accounting system. At this time, they're using an old mainframe system. They're trying to update to Oracle, and then we hope to link with that to help us even more. eBuilder is something that we can access from home on a laptop. I don't have to worry about being on our company's network to obtain the information. Our staff have also been able to close out work orders on eBuilder, and then that information is conveyed to our maintenance system. And so we can actually do the work in eBuilder, and it's closing out work orders in our maintenance system. So that helps out a lot too. We've always been very pleased with the service we get. Keith Tyson is one of the power users at our company, and whenever we've needed assistance, it's always been immediate. We've always gotten great help from eBuilder.